All right, hello everyone, and today we're talking about Angel's Landing in downtown Los Angeles. Now, this is a project that is currently proposed to have two buildings that reach a height of 854 feet. So, this is a two building complex right now, and the total cost of this would be $1.2 billion and is planned to be completed by 2028 in time for the Olympics that will be hosted in LA then. So this would be a 64 stories tower. The complex would be about 2 million square feet. They would have a podium down there. I'll show some renderings of that here in a minute. And this would be a pretty huge project for the downtown LA area, adding, a lot of space, in a lot of rooms and stuff like that to the downtown area. So this was originally going to be a 1,020-foot skyscraper complex, but was downsized to the 854 feet, which is unfortunate, but there was some reasons for that. But yeah, let's look at some of the renderings here, and we can kind of talk about that as well. So, I mean, you can see here, it's kind of hard to tell, but this is two separate buildings. They're just in the way they are in the renderings. It's kind of hard to tell that they're two separate buildings. But these wouldn't be the tallest buildings in LA by any means, but they would be a huge addition to the skyline, as two large towers going up in the downtown area. Here you can kind of see this is the back side of them a little bit here. You can see kind of that podium. They're on a hill, kind of runs into the hill. And then here's a better shot. It's a little blurry, but a better shot of how the actual base of these buildings will be. So it'll be, a big kind of public plaza sort of area in there. Then it leads up to the two podiums, sort of base things of the buildings right there. And yeah, so it looks very nice and all of that. We'll see if this gets constructed or not. This one is one of the more promising, maybe, buildings going up in the LA area that are proposed, because there are quite a few things proposed there, and not everything has really made it to the actual, construction process. But yeah, this would be mainly retail, hotels, and residential, not office buildings. These would be, mixed use, but like residential hotels sort of construction going on in downtown LA. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on these. I'm actually a pretty big fan of this complex. I guess you could say they're kind of like a little bit of twin towers sort of thing, just because it's literally, it's literally two towers of the same height going up. But yeah, this is a pretty nice development in my opinion. It looks pretty solid looking. We'll see if it goes through or not. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.